Add-on interest. Compute the monthly payments for an add-on interest loan of $2,250 with an annual interest rate of 9% and a term of 3 years. The first step in the add-on method is to find the interest amount using I equals PRT. We're given that P, or the amount of the loan, is $2,250. R is the interest rate, which is 9%, and we need to convert this to a decimal by dividing by 100, so 9% is equivalent to 0.09, and then T is the number of years, which is 3. Now I'm going to substitute these values into the simple interest formula, I equals PRT. When I do that, I get I equals 2,250 times 0.09 times 3. 2,250 times 0.09 is 202.5. Then finally we'll multiply that by 3 to get the interest amount of $607.50. Our next step and our last step is to compute the monthly payment. The monthly payment is found by using the formula P, which is the principal, plus I, which is the amount of interest we just found, divided by N, which is the number of monthly payments. Now, if we go to our problem, we see that the number of years is 3 years. So if we have 12 months in a year, the number of monthly payments for the entire lifetime of the loan is 12 times 3, which equals 36. So N equals 36. Now I'll substitute the values into the formula for monthly payment. So I have 2,250 plus $607.50 divided by 36. 2,250 plus 607.5 is 2,857.5 divided by 36. And when we do that calculation, we get 79.375. And since we're talking about monetary amounts, we round to 2 decimal places. So our monthly payment and our answer to this problem is $79.38.